Hi lovelies, what we need for this recipe is 1 cup of peas, 1 cup of shredded carrots, 1 diced onion, 2 pounds of breast chicken, 1 cup of fresh mushrooms, and different spices, with 1 cup of yogurt. Put the pan on medium heat, add 50 grams of butter and around 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add the onion and sauté till brown. When the onion is well browned, add the shredded carrots and then add the breast chicken that is cut into cubes. Stir well, then add 1 tablespoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and stir well. Add 1 cup of fresh or frozen peas, then add the mushrooms. Stir and then add the yogurt, and before putting off the heat, add around 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Spread a sheet of thawed puff pastry on any pie dish you have. Prick it with a fork and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for around 20 minutes. Fill it with the prepared chicken filling and sprinkle it with mozzarella cheese and bake it again for 25 to 30 minutes till brown again, and enjoy it while still warm. I hope you try this recipe and see you next time with a new recipe.